Hello students, my name is Gagandeep Singh and today we will do question number 3 of exercise 2.3 class 10. In this question a polynomial is given whose degree is 4 and two zeros are given in the question and we have to find the other zeros. So degree is 4, so there will be 4 zeros of this polynomial, 2 zeros are given and remaining 2 zeros we have to find. So let us see one concept which we have studied in class 9th, that if x is 3 is a zero of polynomial, then 3 will come in LHS. X minus 3 is a factor of px. Similarly, suppose x is equal to minus 7 is 0 of px, then this 7 will come in LHS. X plus 7 is a factor of px. Similarly, two zeros are given for this polynomial. So x, this value will come in LHS. X minus under root 5 upon 3 is a factor of px. Similarly, for other zero, x is equal to minus under root 5 upon 3 is a 0. So this value will come in LHS. X plus under root 5 upon 3 is a factor of px. Now, if two factors of px are there, then product of these two is also a factor of px. And we can apply a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square is a factor of px. So take LCM. 3 is LCM. 3x square minus 5 is a factor of px. And denominator, which is a constant, so we can leave it. So 3x square minus 5 is a factor of px. Now to find other two zeros of polynomial, we divide the polynomial by factor 3x square minus 5. Terms are in descending order of exponent. First value is 3x square and there is 3x4. So by which number we should multiply 3x square to get 3x4? It is x square. So multiply x square and divisor, and product is 3x4 minus 5x square. So write like terms together, 3x4 minus 5x square, and we have to do subtraction. For this we will change the sign of lower terms. It will be minus, it will be plus. First term cancel. 6x cube minus 2x square and plus 5, minus 2 and plus 5, it is plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Now see, first term is 3x square and first term is 6x cube. So by which number we multiply 3x square to get 6x cube? It is 2x plus 2x. So 2x and 3x square minus 5 multiply, it will be 6x cube minus 10x. 6x cube minus 10x. Change the sign of lower terms, minus and plus, cancel. 3x square minus 10x and plus 10x cancel, minus 5. Now 3x square and 3x square same thing is there, so multiply with 1. So 1 into 3x square minus 5 result is same, 3x square minus 5. So 3x square we write like terms together, and after subtraction remainder is 0. Now consider that quotient x square plus 2x plus 1. Put this polynomial equal to 0, and we can do factors by splitting of middle term. We have to find two numbers such that product should be 1 into 1 1 and sum should be 2. So two numbers are 1 and 1. Their sum will be 2 and their product will be 1. So by splitting of middle term, this 2x can be written as 1x plus 1x and last one as it is. First term and last term as it is, and the middle term we can write x plus x. Now take out common from first two terms and from last two terms. X is common, x plus 1, and from last two terms only 1 is common, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can see that x plus 1 is common and x plus 1 is equal to 0. Product of two bracket is 0. It means either first bracket is 0 or second bracket is 0. So x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1. So other zeros of polynomial are minus 1 and minus 1.